What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom here, and today I'm going to be reviewing a new Jordan 1 Low, white, and ice blue. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with a box, and as we all know, the women's Jordan 1 Low boxes are always white with the gold Jordan on the top. You got your gold Jumpman symbol on the side, nothing on this side, but then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Women's Air Jordan 1 Low, and the colorway is white and ice blue. Let's get into the inside. Opening up the box, pretty much nothing same as normal. You got the stamp of approval right there on top of the box. Same normal cream tissue paper with the gold 23s going throughout the tissue paper. That's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Women's Air Jordan 1 Low, white, and ice blue. Alright, first of all, I just want to start off by saying that I like this colorway. Very nice and very clean. It was another colorway that came out before that was a aluminum blue and a football gray. To me, it looks pretty much about the same. I did a review on those also. I don't have many more to compare them, but they look very, very similar. These right here just have more white, and the other one had more of that gray colorway in the shoe. But overall, very clean shoes. Very nice Jordan 1 Lows. If you like those lows, we all know lows. They coming back. They in right now. A lot of people like the regular OG lows, which I do personally. I love the OG lows also, but the only difference from these is the tongue. As we all know, this one always has that big, thicker tongue, more thicker than a normal Jordan 1 Low than the OG ones. So that's the main difference between the two. But I know a lot of people just love the regular OG lows. I do too also, but I also like these lows also. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. As you can see, pretty much you just got your all white upper, all white, and I'm gonna say ice blue upper, leather going across the whole top. You got this nice white leather right here on top of the toe of the shoe. It's not the best leather. It's just simple leather. It kind of reminds you of that Dunk leather, but just a tad bit better. So that's pretty much the leather you get on these. You got that nice ice blue coming across the front of the toe also, coming all the way to the side right here. You still got that ice blue and white leather come across the whole side. You got that nice ice blue swoosh right here on the side. Flip it to the heel of the shoe. You got that nice I'm gonna say Air Jordan wings in the back. It look kind of gray a little bit, but it's stitched in the back of the heel of the shoe. Going to the inside, you got your white Jumpman on the inside right there. That's pretty much it. You got your ice blue sock liner, normal sock liner, nothing too different. And you got these nice, coming back to the front, these nice just ice blue shoelaces. Your Jumpman symbol right here on the tongue, and that ice blue, and this outline with that ice blue, also with that white in the background of that nylon material tongue. And then you got that normal, well, normally it has a 23 right here. This one doesn't, so you just got the normal little white little hint right there on the tongue. Also, going to the midsole right here, you got this all white leather midsole, and then on the outsole, you got that all ice blue outsole on the shoe, and then you just got that Nike on the bottom of the shoe also. But overall, very clean shoe, very wearable shoe. I know a lot of people would like to wear these probably more in the summertime more than the winter, just because, you know, it's kind of like that North Carolina blue vibe that it give you summery vibes. But overall, clean, nice, just a nice go-to shoe if you want to grab something, throw on, and shouldn't be hard to wear with any type of jeans, because this colorway is just perfect jean colorway and overall clean. So y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about these. Would you go for them, or would you pass on them? I know these did come out a while back. I don't even remember which month it was. Maybe it was in like November or October, but I was able to get them off the Nike website. They had restocked them, and I was able to cop them. They only retail for, I think, $110, I think. And then, like I said, they're women's sizes. So if you do go for these, when you're looking for these, make sure you put your women's size, because this is the size they are set in is the women's size. And so I got my normal women's size 7.5, and these fit perfectly. Pretty much the same as I get in any Dunk. Whatever size you wear in a Dunk, you should better wear in a Jordan 1 Lows, and you should be good to go. So this was the left shoe. Right shoe looks the same as that way. All white, ice blue leather coming across the whole upper end of the shoe. Back of the heel, you got the nice Jordan wings in the back, stitched in that, I would say, gray stitching. Inside, you just got that Jumpman, and then you got the nice ice blue laces, white midsole, and ice blue outsole. Very clean, very nice. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking. Would you go for these or would you pass on them? And which Jordan 1 low do you like the best? Do you like the OG lows that just had the Nike? Let me just turn around and grab one of those just so you can see the difference in, like I said, the tongue. As you can see, this one has a Nike Air tongue right there. These are the OGs. All OGs had a Nike Air on the tongue, and the tongue is not as big as fat as this one, and this one always just gives you the normal Jordan Jumpman symbol with this thick tongue, and that's the main difference in the shoes. But like I said, overall, still a clean shoe, very nice. I like them. Y'all let me know what y'all thinking down in the comments below. But that's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Hit that like button for you girls so you can get that video, so you can get my video out there in that YouTube universe. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram at SneakerMom1721, that's why I kind of show different fits I put on with my kicks. But that's pretty much it. So until the next time, it's your girl Sneaker Mom. Peace.